Okay, so this says the manager of a computer retail store is concerned that, hold on one second, let me resize this a little bit. Is concerned that his suppliers have been giving him laptop computers with a lower than average quality. His research shows that replacement times for the model of laptop of concern are normally distributed with a mean of 4, a standard deviation of zero point 0.4. He randomly selects and records selects records on 49 laptops sold in the past and finds that the mean replacement time is 3.9. Assuming that the laptop replacement times have a mean of 4 years and a standard deviation of 0 0.4, find the probability that 49 randomly selected laptops will have a mean replacement time of 3.9 years or less. So the only thing that you really have to remember is that when we're talking about a sample, our sigma of a sample is equal to the sigma of the population divided by the square root of the sample size. So in this particular case, we're going to use the normal CDF. So this is going to follow, our X is going to follow the normal with a mean of 4 and a standard deviation of 0.4 divided by the square root of 49, which is going to be 7. Okay, so it's a matter of just plugging all that into the calculator. Let me get the calculator up. So let's get out of there. Distribution, normal CDF. So we're trying to find the probability that it's less than 3.9. So we're doing a really, really small lower, really, really large negative lower, up to 3.9 with a mean of 4 and a standard deviation of 0.4 divided by 7. So when we do that, we get 0.04005. To 4 decimal places, this is going to be 0.0401. It looks close to what you had. So maybe you did it correct. You just maybe messed up something small. So this says, based on the results above, does it appear that the computer store has been given laptops of lower than average quality? Well, what this means is they were given laptops that had an average replacement time of 3.9 years. The chances of that just happening randomly is less than 5%. It's a little over 4%, 0.04. So the chances of that happening randomly are so small that it's almost guaranteed that it wasn't random and that they were given faulty laptops. So based on the fact that this is such a low percentage, then we say the probability of this data is unlikely to have occurred by chance alone. Okay, and we'll get to more and more into that kind of thing in the upcoming chapters. But for right now, if something happens at less than a 5% chance, and it does happen, then we say that it probably happened not by chance and by some other reason.